Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today, Peppa Pig is going to go on a nature walk today. And today she's wearing her teddy bear t-shirt. And she's going to go in her toy car. And she's going to go on a nature trail and a walk. Here's her car. And there's a little spot for her. Now, in a minute, I am going to switch you over to an adventure I had walking at a nature trail. We saw some beautiful woods, we went on bridges, and we saw wildlife and beautiful views, and that's what Peppa's going to do today. So Peppa Pig is going to hop in the car. There's a little spot, and she fits perfectly. And there is the little steering wheel. Can you see it? Oops! Oh dear. You fell out of your car. You need to stay put. Look, there's a little steering wheel, so Peppa Pig can actually turn it, and she can also honk the horn. Beep beep. Okay, it's time to go. Beep beep beep. It's quite a long drive. Beep beep. Peppa Pig has arrived to her destination, and she already spots some wildlife. Peppa Pig is going to park her car in the car park, and look what she found. We got some bugs. Look, we got some bugs and wildlife already. Look, we have a ladybird, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 legs, and it has 2 googly eyes. This is called a ladybird, and this ladybird has 1, 2, 3, 4 black spots. That means it's over 4 years old. Oops. And there's another bug here. It looks like a beetle. This bug or beetle has antennas and big eyes and a smooth back, and it's a wind-up toy. Oh, there we go. See how its wheels move when you twist this? It's quite hard doing it with one hand. There we go. You see it moving? Whee! That's how it moves. It has wheels on it. And his antennas move as well. Look, I can see some cars. We're quite high up on a bridge, and we're facing a ring road. Ooh, look at all them cars. Well, that was really fun, visiting the animals and walking on the nature trail. And now it's time to go back home. Peppa Pig is going to go in her car. It's going to be a long drive home. Beep beep. And thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.